Hi, want to know how to enable or disable Find My device on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as a first step, open Settings on your phone and scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Google. Open it, and here on this page which is named Recommended, we should be able to see this widget which is named Find My device. But if you can't see it, go to the tab named All Services and scroll down until you'll find the same tab named Find My device. Click on it, and as you can see, currently the Find My device feature is enabled. To disable it, click on the slider. To enable it, click on the slider once more. And this is it. Now let's talk about a little bit about the Find My device application. So this application is created by Google, and to continue we would need to enter our password. So I'll copy it here and click sign in. So all of the devices that has this Google account on them would be able to be found by you if you will take a look on them in this application. So for example, I got this Samsung Galaxy S10e, and by clicking on it, I should be able to see the location of this phone. And yes, you can see that the phone is located in this area. Here we can see to which Wi-Fi it's connected and how many battery is there left. Here we can also get directions with the help of Google Maps, play sound to find it, and secure device in case that your device have been stolen. So if you have lost your device, you would need to download the Find My device application, enter the Google account, exactly the same Google account that you have on the lost device, and then just find it with the help of this app. This is it. I hope this video was helpful, and thanks for watching.